How to force YouTube app to play highest quality. So a lot of times with YouTube, its settings are recommended for just normal resolution. So if we were to go to YouTube and let's just pick a video to play, I'm just going to play this one here and I'll just hit pause. So if you were to go to the gear icon settings in the video itself, and you'll see these settings that say quality and playback speed. You want to go to the quality, and from here you can choose the highest quality picture. But if you want this permanent for all of your videos, what you can do is come out of here, X out of the video, and go to your profile at the bottom right hand corner. And then what you want to do from here is go to the gear icon at the top right corner. So from here, this is your YouTube app settings, and you want to go to where it says video and audio preferences. And you just want to go to the video quality preferences here. So from here, it doesn't really matter which one you choose, but let's say, for example, you're on your own Wi-Fi and you want to go and change that. So go ahead and click auto, and you're going to have these settings here. So as you see, it says video quality on mobile networks and video quality on Wi-Fi. So as it's here, it's on auto, it's recommended. It will adjust to give you the best experience it can, but we want to use the highest picture quality. That means everything up from 720, so it can be 1080p or 4K or as high as the video quality is, and that will ensure from this point forward that all of your videos will play at the highest quality it possibly can on YouTube. And that's it.